Hey guys, welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a super quick, easy, and delicious breakfast recipe that's ready in just a few minutes. It's the perfect school lunchbox Tiffin recipe and also a great snack for teenagers and the whole family. Serve it with a hot cup of tea and enjoy. So let's get started. First, crack one egg into a bowl. Add a half tablespoon salt, a pinch of red chili powder. Beat everything well until smooth. Now place the frying pan over low heat. Add a little cooking oil and grease the entire pan. Pour the beaten egg into the pan and spread it evenly. Place 2 slices of bread on top of the egg and press them gently so they stick. Next, spread some green chutney over the bread. If you want to make this delicious green chutney, check the description box or the pinned comment for the full recipe. Now carefully fold the egg around the edges of the bread, just like I'm showing in the video. Fold the bread together to make a delicious sandwich. Cook on low heat until both sides are beautifully golden. Transfer it to a serving plate and your quick breakfast and school tiffin box recipe is ready. Cut it into 2 pieces and serve it with hot tea. You can also enjoy it with green chutney or spicy garlic sauce. I love both. They taste absolutely amazing. Wow! It's so crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and incredibly delicious. If this yummy recipe looks tempting, give it a try at home, and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine, and press the bell icon so you never miss another tasty recipe. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and see you in the next video. Bye!